Imagine you have the best firewalls and antivirus software, but an intruder simply walks into your server room and steals a hard drive. In that moment, all your digital security becomes meaningless. This is why physical security controls are a critical pillar of cybersecurity. Physical controls are the tangible safeguards that prevent unauthorized access to facilities, equipment, and personnel. In contrast to logical controls like firewalls or passwords, and administrative controls like policies or training, physical controls involve real-world barriers. Think of locks on doors, fences around buildings, and security guards at entrances. Physical security is especially vital in corporate and government environments because it addresses threats that digital measures can't stop. These threats include someone breaking in to steal hardware, tamper with systems, or even cause sabotage. For example, in 2011, thieves breached Vodafone data center and caused widespread outages by stealing server equipment. No firewall could have prevented that. Only robust physical controls. In short, even the most advanced cyber defenses need the support of physical security. Physical barriers are the first layer of security. Locks on doors and gates require a key, code, or a card to open, which immediately stops casual intruders. For example, an office might deadbolt its server room each night so only key holders can enter. Meanwhile, perimeter fences and gates create a clear boundary around the facility and funnel visitors through a checkpoint. A tall fence, perhaps with a barbed wire, and a secure gate discourage unauthorized people from even approaching the building. These barriers establish a secure perimeter and slow down anyone trying to break in. Security personnel provide a human layer of defense. A guard's visible presence itself deters many intruders. Guards can check IDs, question unfamiliar people, and respond immediately to incidents. For example, a guard at a lobby or a gate will verify visitors and stop anyone without proper authorization. Unlike a camera or a locked door, a trained guard can actively make judgments and take action, making them a very effective security measure. Organizations also deploy monitoring and detection systems at physical controls. CCTV cameras keep watch over entrances and sensitive areas, serving as both a deterrent because people know they're being observed and a means to capture evidence. Intrusion alarms, motion sensors, and door sensors will trigger a loud siren and notify security if someone tries to break in. These tools ensure that any breach is noticed and responded to rather than happening silently. As security threats evolve, technology has enhanced physical controls with new capabilities. Modern physical security measures build upon the basics, providing smarter, more flexible protection in corporate and government settings. Many organizations now use electronic access control instead of traditional keys. Employees carry a badge or a smartphone app to unlock doors electronically, which makes it easy to manage. Lost or stolen credentials can be quickly deactivated, and the system keeps logs of entries. This ensures only authorized people get in and provides an audit trail of access attempts. Biometric locks and scanner controls use unique personal traits like fingerprints, iris scans, or facial recognition to verify identity. Biometrics add a strong layer of security because, unlike an ID badge or a PIN code, a fingerprint or iris is very difficult to steal or copy. High security areas often require biometric scans so that even if someone obtains an access card, they still can't enter without the matching biometric. Biometrics are often combined with cards or pins to provide multi-factor physical authentication. Man traps and turnstile entryways prevent tailgating, which is unauthorized people following an authorized person in. Turnstiles are gates that allow only one person per credential swipe. A man trap is a small vestibule with two locking doors. You enter the first door, it locks behind you, and only then can the second door open, usually after a second ID check. This means only one person can pass through at a time. Man traps are used in sensitive facilities like data centers and labs to ensure that even if someone tailgates, they get stopped before reaching the secure area. Some advanced man trap systems even have weight sensors or cameras to detect multiple people on a single entry. In a corporate data center, physical security is implemented in layers. Imagine this layered physical security defense system. First, a perimeter fence and a gatehouse with a guard to ensure only authorized people enter the property. Next, the building's front door has an electronic key card lock, often with a PIN code, so only staff can get inside. To access the server room, there may be a man trap. You badge in through one door, which must close before a second door opens, and that's only after a fingerprint scan. Finally, individual server racks inside are locked. An intruder would have to breach all these barriers in sequence, which is nearly impossible without being caught. Government and military sites often have even more stringent physical security. There may be barriers like bollards or tire spikes, and armed guards at the outer gates checking IDs and vehicle authorization. At the building entrance, visitors must pass through metal detectors and X-ray scanners to screen for weapons or contraband. Deeper inside, only cleared personnel can enter high security areas. Doors might require a key card, plus a PIN code or a biometric scan. Surveillance cameras monitor the halls, and alarm systems will instantly alert security if someone tries to force a door or enter an area without permission. An intruder faces multiple layers of defense, from fences and guards outside to scanners and locks inside, making it extraordinarily difficult to reach sensitive assets without being detected and stopped. To wrap up, physical security controls, from simple locks and fences to high-tech biometrics and man-traps, exist to prevent, deter, detect, and delay unauthorized access in the real world. They complement the logical safeguards and administrative policies that you may already know. In fact, a single determined intruder can potentially bypass all your network defenses if they gain physical access to your systems. This means strong physical security is not optional. It's essential to protect your data and equipment. For a beginner IT professional, the key lesson is that cybersecurity isn't only about firewalls and antivirus software. You also have to lock the doors, guard the rooms, and watch the premises. Always consider the physical aspect. Who can walk into our building or server room? How do we keep intruders out? By implementing layers of physical controls, for example, fences and guards at the perimeter, secure locks and access badges on entries, and alarms and cameras for detection, you dramatically improve security. In the end, sometimes the simplest measures, like a well-locked door or an alert security guard, can make the difference in keeping your organization safe.
CyberTech, run it up. Started from the bottom, now my search on the wall. Late nights, cold tight, never dropping the ball. Your Guardian Academy, they show me the way.